Have you ever gazed at the moon and wondered about its secrets? The moon, that luminous orb in our night sky, has always held a certain magnetism for us Earthlings. Its enigmatic glow and tranquil presence have sparked countless stories, theories, and questions. What mysteries does it hold? Who were the first to tread on its surface? Our mission today is to unravel some of these lunar enigmas, beginning with the historic first moon landing. Together we will journey back in time to the first moon landing, a monumental moment that forever changed our relationship with the moon. On July 20th, 1969, the human race made history. With these words, we delve into the story of the first moon landing, a tale that forever changed our perspective of the universe. This was no ordinary journey. It was a mission that pushed the boundaries of what we thought was possible, a mission named Apollo 11. At the heart of this mission were two brave astronauts, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin, men who dared to venture where no one had gone before. Yes, they were not just astronauts, they were pioneers, trailblazers, and embodiments of human curiosity and courage. Armstrong, a man of few words, yet when he spoke, they echoed across the cosmos. As he took that first step onto the lunar surface, he uttered the famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." These words have since reverberated through history, symbolizing the audacity of the human spirit and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. But Apollo 11 was not an easy mission. It was fraught with challenges and uncertainties. The lunar module, fondly nicknamed Eagle, had to navigate through unprecedented terrain, with craters, boulders, and an alien environment that could have easily spelled disaster. Yet the astronauts and their team back on Earth faced these challenges head-on, with unyielding determination and a dash of ingenuity. The Eagle landed, and Armstrong and Aldrin spent about 2.5 hours outside the spacecraft, gathering lunar material, deploying experiments, and leaving behind a plaque that read, "We came in peace for all mankind." The mission was a success, but it was more than that. It was a testament to human resilience, a showcase of our thirst for exploration, and a step towards understanding our place in the cosmos. The Apollo 11 mission set the stage for future lunar exploration and opened the door to numerous moon mysteries. From that day forward, the moon was no longer just a celestial body in the sky. It was a world that had been touched by human hands, a world that promised stories of the past and possibilities for the future. The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, is more than just a pretty face in the night sky. It has beckoned us with its mysteries and allure, sparking our curiosity and driving us to explore. Over the years, lunar exploration has shed light on some of these mysteries, offering insights into the moon's composition, its lack of atmosphere, and the discovery of water ice in its craters. Firstly, let's delve into the moon's composition. For centuries, people speculated on what the moon was made of. Some thought it was a perfect sphere of smooth, polished metal. Others believed it was a mirror reflecting Earth's landscapes. Lunar exploration, however, has revealed that the moon is made up of rocks and dust, much like Earth, although its crust is thicker and its core smaller. It's not a polished sphere or a giant mirror, but a rugged, pockmarked world with mountains, valleys, and a vast number of craters. Next, let's discuss the moon's lack of atmosphere. When you gaze at the moon, you might notice that its surface is littered with craters. This is because the moon doesn't have a substantial atmosphere to protect it from incoming meteoroids. Without an atmosphere to slow these space rocks down, they crash into the moon at high speeds, creating impact craters. The lack of atmosphere also means that the moon cannot retain heat, leading to drastic temperature variations between day and night. Lastly, one of the most exciting discoveries is the existence of water ice in the moon's craters. For a long time, it was believed that the moon was an arid, waterless world. However, recent missions have discovered traces of water ice, particularly in the permanently shadowed craters at the moon's poles. This finding is not only fascinating, but could also be crucial for future lunar missions and potential human settlements. The moon's secrets are slowly being revealed, but not without sparking new questions and controversies. As we continue to explore and understand our celestial companion, we can only imagine what other mysteries await us in the moon's silent ethereal glow. With every discovery comes a new set of questions. And the moon, with its silvery allure, is no stranger to this. Our lunar neighbor has been at the center of many controversies and conspiracy theories, some of which continue to spark debates even today. One of the most famous of these is the moon landing hoax theory. Despite the overwhelming evidence and the testimonies of thousands of scientists and astronauts, there are still those who believe that the Apollo moon landings were an elaborate deception, staged by the United States as a show of dominance during the Cold War era. They point to perceived anomalies in the photographs and videos, such as the fluttering flag in a supposedly airless environment or the absence of stars in the lunar sky. But these claims have been largely debunked by experts who explain them as results of unique lunar conditions and photographic techniques. Then there's the theory of extraterrestrial activity on the moon. Some argue that the moon is or was inhabited by aliens, citing unexplained structures or lights in lunar photographs as evidence. Claims of seeing UFOs or hearing strange noises during the Apollo missions have added fuel to these speculations. However, scientists maintain that these observations can be explained by natural phenomena such as meteor impacts or the interaction of solar wind with the lunar surface. And let's not forget the dark side of the moon, the side permanently turned away from the Earth. It's been a fertile ground for speculation, with theories ranging from secret alien bases to the moon being hollow or even a spaceship. But again, these ideas are more the stuff of science fiction than science fact. As we continue to explore the moon, we must separate fact from fiction, science from speculation. The moon, like any frontier of exploration, is bound to be surrounded by mystery and controversy. But as we gather more knowledge, we get closer to understanding the truth about our closest celestial neighbor. Till then, the moon continues to captivate us, not just with its beauty, but also with its enigma. The moon does more than just light up our night sky. It's a celestial body that, despite being nearly 240,000 miles away, has profound effects on Earth and possibly even on us. Let's start with the most visible impact, the tides. The gravitational pull of the moon causes the oceans to rise and fall twice a day. It's a dance of the seas, choreographed by the moon, that shapes our coastlines and influences marine life. The moon's gravitational pull doesn't just affect the water in our oceans, but it also causes the Earth itself to bulge slightly, creating what are known as land tides. But the moon's influence isn't just limited to Earth's physical attributes. It may also play a part in animal behavior. Some creatures, like corals and certain types of worms, time their mating rituals to the lunar cycle. Other animals use the moon's light for navigation. Even the humble moth's notorious attraction to light is thought to be a misdirected response to the moon. And then there's us, humans. Throughout history, cultures across the globe have attributed a myriad of effects to the moon. The full moon has been linked with everything from sleep disorders to heightened creativity. The term lunacy, derived from luna, the Latin word for moon, suggests a connection between the moon and mental health. While there's no concrete scientific evidence to back these claims, the belief in the moon's effects on human behavior persists. Similarly, some people believe in the moon's influence on physical health. The moon diet, for instance, involves aligning eating patterns with the moon's phases. Again, while the scientific community remains skeptical, the belief persists, a testament to the moon's enduring allure. The moon's influence on our planet and perhaps even on us is a testament to its enduring allure. Whether it's the tides, animal behavior, or human health and psyche, the moon's effects are far-reaching and fascinating, reminding us that we are all part of a larger cosmic dance. The moon has captivated us for millennia, and its allure remains undiminished. This celestial body, hanging in our night sky, has a kind of magic that never ceases to enchant us. Its beauty is undeniable, with the silvery glow illuminating the night, casting a serene and mesmerizing light that has inspired countless poems, songs, and stories. Beyond its beauty, the moon holds a host of mysteries that continue to pique our curiosity. We've landed on it, studied it, but still it guards secrets that we have yet to uncover. These mysteries, from its dark far side to the possibility of hidden water, keep our interest alive, sparking our thirst for knowledge and discovery. But perhaps the most compelling aspect of the moon's allure is its role in our dreams of space exploration. The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, represents the first step in humanity's journey beyond our own planet. It's a symbol of what we've achieved and a beacon guiding us towards what we can still accomplish. As we continue to gaze at the moon, we are not just looking at a celestial body, but at a mirror reflecting our past, our present, and our future. The moon, in its silent watch, has witnessed our evolution, our triumphs, our failures, and it will continue to do so, ever the silent companion in our journey through time and space.